Having trouble seeing your Tesco Bank transactions? There are three main reasons why this might be happening: incorrect date range settings, confusion between pending and posted transactions, or issues with refreshing your app. Let's break down each of these. First, check your date range in the Tesco Bank app or website. Make sure it includes the period when the transaction occurred. Sometimes the default range is too narrow and excludes recent activity. Second, understand the difference between pending and posted transactions. Pending transactions are authorized but not yet fully processed and may be in a separate section of your app. Posted transactions are complete and reflected in your balance. Lastly, your app might need a refresh to sync with the latest data from Tesco Bank. We'll cover how to do that next. Now let's look at how to fix these common issues. To adjust the date range, look for a Filters or Date button within the Transactions section of your Tesco Bank app or website. Expand the range to include the missing transaction. Next, check specifically for pending transactions. These are often listed separately and may take a few days to fully process. If a transaction is pending, just give it some time. Finally, to refresh your app, try the pull to refresh gesture on mobile. If that doesn't work, close and reopen the app, clear the app's cache in your phone settings, or log out and back in. For web users, try a hard refresh using Ctrl F5 on Windows. These steps should resolve most transaction visibility issues. If problems persist, contact Tesco Bank support at 0345 301 3010.